Hello, welcome to another video. In the heart of the countryside, life began with most extraordinary way. From the first moment Australian meet his mare, nature began its timeless dance. A connection is made, not just instinct but of life enduring cycle. With carefully planning and ethical breeding practice, the mare is prepared for journey ahead. Her body strong yet graceful. Now carries a secret, a growing heartbeat deep within. Over the next 11 months, the miracles of life take shape. Day by day, the unborn foal develops. Tiny hooves forming, a man beginning to grow, and eyes that will soon see the world for the very first time. As the day passes, the mare strides slow, and her belly sways gently with every step. The stable becomes quiet, as if holding its breath. Waiting, still wet from birth, the foal blinks in the dim light, breathing the first breath of its life. The mare nuzzles her newborn, a bond of love and protection instantly formed. With wobbly legs, the foal rises. Nature, quite promises fulfill. This is more than birth. It's the beginning of the journey. From mounting to falling, every step is a testament to nature, resistance, brilliance, to nature, beauty, resilience, and the unbreakable bond between the mother and the child. If you like this video, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Okay, girl, let's take a look. You're doing great.